Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good, thank you. How about you?
I am great. I wanted to visit this bookstore today.
Perfect. I love bookstores. Which section do you want to explore first?
Mystery books. I love thrilling and exciting stories these days.
Mystery is fun. There is a sale this weekend. Half price on all mystery novels.
Really? That is perfect timing. Can you recommend any authors?
Sherlock Holmes is a classic, but maybe you want something different.
I've read Sherlock Holmes. Not really my style. I want a female author.
Agatha Christie is perfect. She wrote more than 50 mystery novels. I don't work here. I am just a fellow book lover.
That's okay. Thanks for the tip. Look at all these books. So many choices.
Let's pick a few interesting ones.
How about The Mysterious Affair at Styles
Good choice. That is her first novel.
and Murder on the Orient Express?
Classic. You cannot go wrong with that.
I enjoy reading in cafes. I imagine all the detective work.
Me too. I like solving the mystery in my mind before finishing the story. Each character could be hiding secrets.
That is why mysteries are so fun. The twists keep me hooked.
Reading also improves vocabulary. You notice new words naturally.
And dialogue teaches expressions I can use in real life.
Attention to detail and logical thinking are skills you develop too.
I prefer medium-length books. Long books can be tiring.
True. Shorter novels are easier to finish but still full of excitement.
I like imagining the scenes. It makes the story vivid.
Imagination is important. It also improves creative thinking.
I learned new words today. Culprit, twist, suspense, vivid.
Excellent. Using new words and sentences helps remember them.
I will try that.
Small steps every day lead to big improvement.
Daniel, after reading those mystery books, I want more stories to explore.
Yes, we can visit the library. They have adventure, fantasy, and more mystery books.
Great idea. Let's go today.
Here we are. So many books, fantasy, mystery, and adventures.
I like adventure books with puzzles and action.
Let's pick a book that is exciting and not too long.
This one looks good. The Hidden Treasure of Black Island.
Great choice. The story has twists and clever clues.
I love books that challenge my thinking.
Yes, following the clues improves observation and logic skills.
The characters are very interesting. Each one could hide secrets.
Exactly. Imagining the story makes reading even more fun.
I also learn new words while reading. Adventure, treasure, clever, imagination.
Perfect. Using new words in sentences helps remember them.
Daniel, I noticed something. I try to guess what happens next.
That is excellent. Predicting events improves critical thinking.
And imagining the scenes makes the story vivid in my mind.
Visualization is important. It also improves creativity.
Talking about books helps me understand better.
Yes, discussing stories improves speaking and listening skills.
I can express my ideas clearly while sharing my thoughts.
And listening carefully helps you learn new expressions.
I also practice patience. Reading slowly and following the story is helpful.
True. Patience and focus are important life skills.
Adventure books teach action, problem solving, and thinking skills at the same time.
Exactly. Every book is a small lesson.
I enjoy learning life skills while having fun.
That is the best way to practice English naturally.
Today I learned new words, practiced thinking, and improved imagination.
Great. Combining learning with enjoyment makes it easier to remember.
I can't wait to finish this story and pick another adventure book.
Enjoy. Every book is a journey for your mind and your English.
Daniel, after our library adventure, I feel like relaxing tonight.
Yes, reading is fun, but movies are great for entertainment too.
Exactly. I want to watch a movie, but I cannot decide which one.
Let's think. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like romance, but I do not enjoy comedies.
I like action, but I do not enjoy romance films.
Maybe an animated movie?
Animated? That can be fun. What is it about? Is that a movie for kids?
Yes, I want something more exciting for adults.
How about a horror movie?
Maybe. What is it about?
Zombies.
Zombies? Is there a lot of action?
Yes, it is exciting and thrilling, but there is a little romance too.
Romance in a zombie movie?
Yes, the romance is between a man and a zombie.
That sounds hilarious. I like it.
Shall we take 2 tickets?
Yes, let's do it.
Horror movies are fun when thrilling.
And a little comedy makes it even more enjoyable.
Exactly. A mix of genres can be very interesting.
I also learned some words today. Thrilling, hilarious, exciting, romance.
Perfect. Using new words in sentences helps remember them.
And speaking slowly while discussing movies helps pronunciation.
Right. Slow speaking improves listening and speaking skills.
Daniel, I like how movies teach small lessons too.
Yes, even fun activities can be learning opportunities.
And sharing opinions helps improve conversation skills.
Exactly. Talking about stories builds both speaking and listening.
Today I learned to choose carefully and enjoy different genres.
Great. Learning from experiences is always valuable.
I also practice expressing my opinion clearly.
That is excellent. Every activity can improve English naturally.
I can't wait to watch the movie and talk about it afterwards.
Enjoy. Learning English can be fun in every situation.
Daniel, after movies, I feel hungry.
Yes, movies make me want snacks and dinner.
Let's go grocery shopping. We need vegetables and fruits for the week.
Good idea. We also need eggs and cheese.
I already made a shopping list. Carrots, onions, broccoli, cabbage, mushrooms.
Okay, let's go to the produce section first.
We only need 5. Buying extra is wasteful.
You are right. Only buy what we need.
Next, fruits. We need bananas and apples.
What about oranges?
4 are still at home. No need to buy more. Now, eggs and cheese. Can you get the eggs?
Yes. Be careful. Eggs are fragile.
Okay. Now, which cheese should we buy?
I like cheddar. You like mozzarella.
How about marble cheese? It is a mix.
Perfect.
Last item is a chocolate bar.
Chocolate? I didn't see that on the list.
Daniel, I learned something today.
You deserve it. Helping is important.
Making a list helps save money.
Right? Planning is a life skill.
Shopping becomes less stressful with a plan.
Exactly. Being organized makes life easier.
I also learned new words. Produce, fragile, marble cheese, reward.
Perfect. Using new words in sentences helps remember them.
Speaking slowly helps pronunciation too.
Right? Slow speaking improves listening and speaking skills.
I feel proud helping and learning at the same time.
Small lessons in daily life are very important.
I will plan my shopping next time as well.
Excellent. Good habits make life easier.
Checking what we have at home also saves money.
Yes,